Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 3. Now exercise 3.4. Reduce each of the following rational expressions to its lowest form. That means you have to simplify. Totally 4 subdivisions are there. Okay. Solution. Subdivision number 1, x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus x equals 1 itself we can write to 1 square for applying a squared minus b squared identity. A squared minus b squared, you know the identity, a plus b into a minus b. So a, that is x, b, that is 1. So we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. Then denominator x squared plus x, we can take x as common because x is the least one. If we take x as common, you will be getting x plus 1. X into x, x squared, x into 1, x. These two get cancelled. After cancelling, which one is left out in the numerator? X minus 1, denominator x. That's all. Subdivision number 1 is over. Now subdivision number 2. X squared minus 11x plus 18 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals. So quadratic polynomial, because the degree is 2, here also degree 2, both quadratic polynomials only. We can factorize 1 into 18. Coefficient of x is minus 11. Product 18 sum minus 11, the two numbers are 9 and 2, correct? 9 and 2. For getting minus 11, the negative sign to be introduced for both the numbers. Minus 9 minus 2, that is equal to minus 11. Multiply the two numbers, minus into minus plus, 9 2s are 18. For getting the factors, consider the coefficient of x squared, what it is, 1. Write 1 in numerator. Put into variable we have x. 1 into x, x minus 9 is the first factor. 1 into x, x minus 2 is the second factor. Divided by, we have to factorize this polynomial also. Write 1 into 4, 4. Coefficient of x is minus 4. Product 4 sum minus 4, the two numbers are minus 2 and minus 2. Add the two numbers, minus 4. Multiply the two numbers, plus 4. Coefficient of x squared is 1. Write 1 in numerator. Yes, into the variable we have x into x into x. X minus 2. Again x minus 2. X minus 2 get cancelled. So what is the answer? X minus 9 divided by x minus 2. Subdivision 2 is over. Now subdivision number 3. 9x squared plus 81x. X cube plus 8x squared minus 9x. Common. 9 and 81, both the numbers in 9th table. So take 9 as common. X squared x, which one is common? X. After taking 9x, here you have to write x. 9x into x, 9x squared. Plus 9 only, 9x into 9, 9 9s are 81 into x, 81x. The denominator, which one is common? X cube, x squared, x. Which one is the least? X. Take x as common. After taking x as common, you have to write x squared plus 8x minus 9, correct? X into x squared, x cube. X into 8x, 8x squared. X into 9, 9x. X cancelled. 9 into x plus 9 divided by, we have to factorize this polynomial. What is the coefficient of x squared? 1. 1 into minus 9. Coefficient of x, that is equal to 8. Product minus 9, sum 8. The two numbers are 9 and minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. For getting the factors, consider the coefficient of x squared. Here we have 1. Write 1 in numerator into the variable x plus 9. 1 into x minus 1. X plus 9 get cancelled. 9 divided by x minus 1. Now the last subdivision number 4. P square minus 3p minus 40 divided by 2p cube minus 24p square plus 64p equals p square minus 3p minus 40 as it is. For the denominator, common 2, 24 and 64, all the three numbers in two tables, so you can take 2 as common. Apart from that, p square, p cube, which one is the least? P, so write p, 2p as common. After taking 2p common, here you have to take p square, correct? 2p into p square equal 2p cube minus 12p minus 12 into 2 minus 24 p into p square plus 32 into 2p equals 64p. That is equal to, you have to factorize the numerator. Coefficient of p squared equals 1. 1 into minus 40 is minus 40. Coefficient of p, that is equal to minus 3. The two numbers, for getting 40 in multiplication, if you add the two numbers, you have to get minus 3. The two numbers are 8 and 5, correct? For getting minus 3, you have to introduce minus for the bigger number. So minus 8 plus 5, okay? Minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. If you multiply the two numbers, minus into plus minus, 8 5s are 40. Now the coefficient of p squared equals 1. Write 1 in numerator into what's the variable here? P into p. So 1 into p minus 8. 1 into p plus 5. Numerator over. Denominator 2p as it is. Here the coefficient of p squared is 1. 1 into 32, 32. And the coefficient of p, that is equal to minus 12. Product 32, sum minus 12. The two numbers are 8 and 4. 8 4s are 32, but we need minus 12. So negative sign for both the numbers. Add the two numbers, minus 12. Multiply the two numbers, 32. Here the coefficient of p squared is 1. Write 1 in numerator into variable, once again p minus 8. 1 into p minus 4. p minus 8 get cancelled. That's all. P plus 5 alone in the numerator. Denominator, we have 2p into p minus 4. That's all. So question number 1, all the 4 subdivisions are all over. I'll be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.